In this question, you are asked to integrate 1 minus x into 2 plus 3x into 5 minus 4x dx. So how do you integrate this? So again, this expression does not look related to any standard formula. So first we need to simplify this, and then we can apply the standard formulas. That is, first let me multiply these three terms. So what is this? So if you multiply the first two terms, you get 2 minus 2x plus 3x is plus x minus 3x square times 5 minus 4x. That is equal to, the constant is 10, and you have minus 8x plus 5x, that is minus 3x, and the x square term is minus 15x square minus 4x square, that is minus 19x square, and plus 12x cube. So the multiplication of these three is this expression. So integration of this is nothing but integration of this, that is integration of 10 minus 3x minus 19x square plus 12x cube dx. That is equal to 10 times integration of dx, if you separate this, minus 3 times integration of x dx minus 19 times integration of x square dx plus 12 times integration of x cube dx. That is equal to 10 times integration of dx is x minus 3 times integration of x power 1 is x power 2 by 2 minus 19 times x cube by 3 plus 12 times x to the power 4 by 4 plus c. So this becomes 3. So the integration constant can be written only once in the end. So the answer is 10x minus 3x square by 2 minus 19x cube by 3 plus 3x to the power 4 plus c. So the integration of this is this expression.